Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sazon, and today I'm making some Maduros. To cook the Maduros, all we need is 2 platanos and some olive oil. Platano in English is plantains. When these plantains are green, they are not sweet. When they are like that, you can cook patacones. That I'll show you in another video. In the Dominican Republic, we call them tostones, but in Panama, we call them patacones. We are making maduros out of yellow plantains, so that means you have to wait until they're nice and black so you can taste that sweetness. Platano, platano, platano. Before cutting up the plantains, I'm gonna coat the pan with oil. I'm gonna turn up the heat in the pan and cut up the plantains. I'm telling you right now, if you don't like maduros or platanos, then you're tripping. These type of plantains are sweet. In addition to tostones and patacones, we also eat mango. Once I'm done cutting up the plantains, I'm gonna put them in the pan. I'm putting in the plantains one by one so they can cook. Just to let you know, sometimes plantains are cut lengthwise instead of how I'm cutting them as discs. Hace mucho tiempo, hay un amigo no gusta plátano, entonces yo pregunté a él, ¿tú no como plátano? Oh nah. To a Dominican, that is sacrilegious. That is almost like a Dominican not liking beans. Also for the maduros, we don't call them maduros in Panama, we call them tejadas. But once these have been in the pan for a while, it's time to turn them over. But this is actually a good color. Sometimes you can't eat the maduros too light or too dark. In my opinion, I like eating the maduros dark so I can taste the feeling. And what I told you about tostones, aka patacones, Dominicans eat plantains in many different ways. Since the maduros are at a decent color now, it's time to take it out the oil. Making maduros is pretty simple. Eating maduros, aka tejadas, will be life-changing. It's the same thing with Latin American food too. At first, you may not like eating Latin American food, but if you don't try things, then you don't know what you're missing out on. I have no idea where this has been my whole life. Alright, I'm sitting on the balcony and I'm eating the maduros. And it tastes real good though, no cap. I can taste the sweetness and it is fried to perfection. Thanks for watching and please make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.